Guys, how's it going? I haven't done a Canopy video in a while, and this news excites me. It excites me a lot that the Canopy shareholders did a vote and they got approved for $5 billion. I was kind of pissed off because they didn't give me my papers to vote for the $5 billion Constellation brand investment. It's a little pissed off about that because I bought it as soon as this announcement was made. So, I should get something, but, they didn't give it to me. Like, what the hell? Ugh. Kind of pisses me off a little bit, but, just a little bit. I gotta admit, though, it's really exciting. So, should I read the news out? Or can you guys read the news yourself? Well, anyways, I'm going to point out some important points in this article. So, first of all, they are selling the company right now. This first current private placement of 104.5 million shares. So, this is going to dilute Canopy stock by 104.5 million shares. And then they have 139 more million shares for purchase warrant of, I don't even know what this is. This is CBG Holdings. I should look into that because I don't know what the hell that is. So I'll look into it after this video. But I think right now the stock is getting diluted by 104.5 million shares. So we'll do the math on that. And it's a little weird too how it's like 40.8% of only the shareholders voted, and so the other 60% is like nowhere to be found. I don't know. And approximately 95.41% will vote in favor of the resolution. So yeah, on 40%, like, to me, it's like, what happened to that at 60%? So, I don't know. Whatever. I guess it doesn't matter. So, let's do some math. Okay, so, assuming it's 104 million shares and not, 230 million shares. So you just go 230 million plus 104. I don't know the exact number. I'm pretty sure it was 104 million. $334 million shares. You times that by 67.64. That's $22.5 billion market cap. So for Canopy to get $5 billion for a $22.5 billion market cap, I don't know. It seems to me like this stock could still rise, because I can easily see this. Once they get that $5 billion, I can easily see Canopy being, I don't know, like a $30 billion company. That's just me though. I don't know. Maybe other investors don't see it. But if they got $5 billion in cash, like, it's officially theirs, and only Constellation brands only own 38% of Canopy. That means that it's officially still not Constellation brands company yet. And with $5 billion, they can do some massive damage. $5 billion is a lot of money. And what do you think they're going to do with the $5 billion? They're going to stuff it up their butt? No. They're going to announce some really, really, really exciting news regarding some acquisitions in Europe that will just shock the world. And their stock's going to skyrocket from that. So I don't know. This is me though. This is my opinion. But anything could happen. At the end of the day, this is all speculation, right? So I want to share something special with you. I before I share it with you, I have to tell you, I sinned a little bit. I sinned a little bit on Canopy Growth, even though I knew Canopy Growth was the safest company on the market. I sinned. I should have been a more long-term investor on this instead of being gambling and trading and selling off my shares. I should have just been a long-term hold share because I knew that this company was worth a lot of money, but I sinned a little bit. And I guess, you know, that's my fault. So I'm going to show you exactly why I sinned. So I like to be transparent. So this is all my shares that I sold for Namaste. I sold 30,000 shares a day. 38,000 shares within the last 2 days. I sold a little bit at 325. Then I sold some more at 2. And then I decided that I would just get rid of my position because whenever a company gets like money, the stock usually tanks. So that scares me a little bit. So I need to you know, just in case. So yeah, I sold it. I got scared. I admit it. I got scared. But you know, Namaste can recover. I'm not gonna buy it anymore unless it goes to $2. But yeah. Anyways, this is my Canopy shares, and this is the reason why I sinned. Let's do some math. 1,600 plus 2,350 plus 2270. 6,220 shares. I originally had 7,770 shares, and I sinned, and my shares dropped to 6,220 shares. I could have been a long-term investor in this company, but I sinned. I saw profit, and I took some profit. And I still believe that this company can go up. So I went against my code, and I sinned on Canopy. So I guess that's my fault. But if this stock ever goes back down to $50, just in case, you know, just in case there's a massive sell-off after the dilution, just in case it sells off and it goes down to $50, I take all the money I have right now and I stuff it back into Canopy Growth, because that would be such a buying opportunity. So I'm having cash on the side right now. I'm gonna wait until there's awesome price dips, because there might be, because I truly believe in this company for the future. I truly believe in Canopy Growth. I think Canopy Growth is going to be the biggest company ever. I mean, Aurora has a chance. If Aurora gets a Coke deal, they have a chance. But if they don't, Canopy is king. They're going to be king. They have money. They have... Not only they have money, they have a stock that is very, very valuable. And they have cash. So they can make some big acquisition. So I'm sorry, Canopy Growth is gonna make so much money down the road, long term. I don't even know why I sold off Canopy Growth. I'm an idiot. I should have just held on for 7,770 shares. But you know, whatever, that's life. A little disappointed in myself. Very little disappointed in myself. For Namaste, I just don't see the vision for Namaste. Like, honestly, I don't see it. Unless they acquire, like, producer, like American or Wayland or whatever, because I think that's a great piece of asset. And I think that if Namaste was to merge with Wayland, I think they could be a big global leader, because they're already a global leader and they just need some low margin products. And American is the perfect puzzle fit for Namaste. They will be able to produce low cost. They'll be able to produce low cost cannabis. They'll be able to ship it international. They'll be able to participate in the rec market. They really need a licensed producer in order to really before I'm a big believer in Namaste. I apologize, I know, but it's really important that they need to have a really, like, merge with a really good licensed producer. That's just my opinion, though. That two company merging together, American or whatever, Wayland now. I don't even know why they named it Wayland. That's like retarded. Anyways, if they merge with Namaste, I would totally be a long-term investor in Namaste. Totally. Like, no doubt in my mind that I would be a long-term investor in Namaste if they merge with Wayland. Or I like American. I don't know. Wayland sounds retarded. So anyways, that's just me. Anyways, I think that's it for the video. I should be 10 minutes. I hope I made it 10 minutes. Let's see if I made it 10 minutes. I made it 10 minutes! Sweet. This is gonna be an awesome video because it's gonna be like a lot of like emotions and stuff. Yeah. Anyways, see you guys later and subscribe for future updates. Bye.